Hi there, I'm Lauren. I'm a conversion specialist here at Command C, and today we are taking a look at gifting options in the checkout. So what are you going to learn? I'm going to be showing you what to consider when you want to offer gifting to your customers and ways that you can make gifting really special for your customers, and so that way they have a great gifting experience for their friends and family. So what you need to consider is how you're going to communicate your gifting option. So the wrapping, the notes, the packaging, and then what options are you going to offer? Are you going to offer gift receipts, tag removal, wrapping messages, and where on your site are you going to offer these gifting options? So some do's when it comes to gifting. So you want to always allow custom gift messages. You also want to consider dynamically changing shipping field labels for gift orders, so I'll show that in a minute. You also want to consider where on your site is best to offer gifting. So you want to test messaging or gifting selection in the product cart in the checkout. You also want to showcase what the gift packaging or gift wrapping is going to look like. Allow your customers to ship to multiple addresses and make it very clear what gifting options are free and which ones are paid. So in the checkout, so here are a few examples of some of these gifting do's. Here for Bergdorf Goodman, they showcase their product packaging so you can clearly see what your recipient is most likely going to be receiving. You can see that there's a $7.50 charge here, and you can get free gift packing if you spend over $500. With Gold Belly, so they do a good job of mentioning shipping to multiple addresses. So by default, it's to a single address, but you click this link and this new section appears, and then you can ship to multiple different recipients. And in this example from Books, so they make it clear what fields you are filling out. So you're not filling out your own name, you're filling out for your recipient. You're also not filling out your own address. It's the address that you want to deliver the gift to. So this makes it clear and it reduces any potential errors. So also for Books, they make it clear that there is a billing address. So if you select a gifting option, it is best to have separate shipping and billing addresses, as those are most likely going to be different, as the customer is going to fill out their own billing address and then their recipient's shipping address. For Kate Spade, so they do a good job of offering gifting here in the checkout. So if you click this checkbox, it'll show options for gift boxes and messages, and then you get this little modal here, and you can select a free gift carded message, or if you want to include gift wrapping, that's an extra $6. And something they can improve here is just showing what the gift wrapping actually looks like. And a few ways that you can make gifting special for your customers. One example here is Gift Now. So this is on Kate Spade. So you can select this in the checkout, and this allows customers to send their recipient a message. So instead of sending them the actual item, the recipient gets a message of what the customer was going to select for them, and they can either accept it or they can exchange it, and they're also able to select the right size for them. So this ensures that customers are getting their recipient exactly what they want. So this is a very cool tool you might want to test on your site. And you might also want to test different messaging options. So here at NAC, they offer gift message cards and video messages. So you can offer You can select one or the other, or you can select both of these. And for their gift messaging, it's very customizable. This is a lot more customized than I see for most gift messages. You can add images, you can add logos and titles. Down here, you can add this floral belly band for an extra $5. So very personalized, very customized, probably will be more memorable. One of the more memorable gift messages that somebody receives from a store. So something else you can consider offering for your customers. So these were just a few examples of offering gifting on your site. So hopefully you got some good ideas that you can test out in your checkout. All right, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.